be confident and to collaborate.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today, when my life seems so cloudy. Oh, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yeah. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength's gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know that you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today, when my world seems a little bit cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes, I do. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's carried out. I don't want any doubt, that's why I want to talk to you. Yes, I do. And ask you for, especially today, when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure. Ooh, I open up my heart, my heart. Oh, hear a single word from you. I open up my heart. Whoa, you just say one word to me. I open up. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea. All I need is a wee single word from you. I open up my heart. Oh.